Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Manifested Finesse on YouTube. My name is Manifesting Gaia. That is my Twitter, TikTok, podcast, and Instagram. All the links are down below, and my affirmations list and audio rampage emails down below. And my Master Manifestation workshop, where I just dropped a new Regulate Your Nervous System program, where I teach you guys how to do EFT tapping, step by step, explain the benefits, etc. Today, I'm starting something new. I'm going to be EFT tapping, teach you guys how to EFT tap, and EFT tap for multiple topics, just like rampages. But this is to regulate your nervous system. Today, we're going to do EFT tapping for anxiety. Just follow along if it's your first time. Follow the points I tap after me. Just breathe through it. And yeah, I am safe. I am secure. I am calm. I am at peace. Everything is fine. Everything is working out. I am safe. I am secure. I am calm. I am at peace. Everything is fine. Everything is working out. I am safe. I am secure. I am calm. I am at peace. Everything is fine. Everything is working out. And that is EFT tapping for anxiety. I have a video on explaining EFT tapping and the benefits if you want to learn more about it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you want EFT tappings for. Hopefully, I'll try to get them in. If you want more, don't forget to check out the new NSR program. Remember, you can have anything you want in this universe. Nothing's too big, small, wide, or expensive. I believe in you. You should believe in you. And I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye!